We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to print a supply status page on your HP OfficeJet Pro 8028 printer. So this page contains useful information such as the original install date of the cartridge, how many pages you've printed on it, the device's serial number, and so much more. Just follow these steps and you can print your supply status page.
Go.
Alright guys, so what you want to do on your touchpad is you want to pull this little drop down, and then you see this little gear. Go ahead and press that. You want to scroll all the way down until you see reports. Hit reports, and then you'll want to hit printer status report. It then should start printing your supply status page. Alright guys, you successfully have printed your supply status page. Thank you for watching our video today and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.